Good morning, YouTube. I did not know it was supposed to rain today, and I'm laying in my bed on my phone, and I was like, sounds like it's raining outside. And then I look outside, it's like, do my ears deceive with me? But no, they don't. It's raining. So, yay. I don't know if we are going to the house where my mom is house sitting today, because they have a pool there, and we're gonna go swimming and grill hamburgers. I did not know it was supposed to rain today. I'm not complaining that it's raining today. I don't know if that's gonna get picked up today or not, but it's out. It's raining. Yay. I might put that down. Nope, it's heavy. It doesn't need put down. It looks like it's been raining a while. So, yay. I don't have to water. I wasn't going to water today because there's several days worth of rain in the schedule. Plus, it rained a lot yesterday. So, the kids are still sleeping. They're off school today. It's raining. Yay. Okay, so... yay, I definitely don't have to water plants today. Our plans to go to the house that Mom is house sitting at have been postponed until Saturday, and this is why. So, but anyways, yay. They changed the forecast to show that it's going to rain today. Because yesterday when I looked at the weather app, the local news station's weather app, this was not on it for today. So, yay. A couple more flowers have bloomed and opened up. Look how pretty. This is one of the plants that Wyatt picked out. That one he picked out from the high school. And it's gotten huge. May have to get a bigger pot. I think we have some in the shed. But, since it's like cool outside, I am airing out the... I got a flood spot right there. Airing out the house a little bit. I have my bedroom doors open. A little bit of a storm. Yay. I just hope that the garden is getting soaked. Like all the way soaked. I should not have to water the garden until probably this weekend. Saturday, Sunday. So... yay. The kids are off school today. Wyatt just got up a few minutes ago. So Elijah's still sleeping. But yeah. I think we have a break in the rain right now. Looks like it. The road is kind of drying up. But we are still supposed to get some rain later. There is somebody in my driveway. Okay, I'm trying to make some hot tea. I'm not expecting anybody out. They are... Okay, they're leaving. They backed up, and I guess they were letting the person behind them pass them, or pulled into the wrong house or something. I don't know. That was kind of weird. We were supposed to go to the house, speaking of, where my mom is house sitting for 2 weeks, but plans got canceled because of the rain, as you saw earlier in the clip. Still, she is closer to where the rain's going to be. I don't know if that was a bruise or not. I don't know. So it's gonna hit her first. One of the dogs was pouting because they didn't get their walk. The other one got their walk, but also got wet. Yeah. I FaceTimed my mom this morning. I journaled. I've been journaling lately. And emailed a friend of mine and opened up a few of the windows and letting the house air out. What else? Oh, I blogged. So, yay. I called the doctor for Elijah's meds to send it over to the pharmacy. What else did I do? Oh, I got his weekly meds ready. Oh, the case of the missing conditioner has been solved. So it was still in my room, as I suspected. It was between my bed and the end table. So now I have 3 of these. I just need to get 2 more shampoos to go with that. I have some coupons at CVS, so that I can use to bring the price down. That's about all I've done today. So I don't know if y'all could hear the baby bugs. There's at least one in there. The baby birdie's awake. There's at least one baby bird in that nest, so since we have a break in the rain, I am going to take the eggshells and the tea bag out to the garden, or not the garden beds, the compost bin. So I get my rain boots on because I'm sure the grass is still wet. But yeah. Right, so I mixed stuff around in that. Had to take that off because that's broken. Both of these things will go in the trash bin, but I am going to need a new one for right there, and these 4. So I have about 3 in the house that I could bring out, kind of replace at least that one and that one, and put over there to lift that one up. So, but look how many flowers there are on his. There is, like, all of these right here are the flowers. So I do need to get the weed whacker out tomorrow. The kids have therapy I know there's not going to be a lot of growth right now, but within the next few days there should be. I don't know if I should take that one with me too. Probably, because that one's leaning. I do have to cut the top of these off before they bolt, so they keep growing. So whatever leaves I pull off of here, I will dry up and probably send up with my mom so my sister can have it, because oregano is her favorite. I don't know if I can dry these too. I'm going to look into that, like this part right here. And plant them next year. I don't know, or cook with them. But anyways, yeah, I think I am. Yeah, I gotta replace that, or take that one too. So, but yeah, things are growing. Don't know. It looks like we may have some rosemary, at least 3 more. I may go this week and get a couple more plants somewhere. So, I want to know what's eating my flowers. So, yeah, this is starting to stay within the trellis. I know I need to get these plants potted or planted. At least 2 in there, 1 in there, 1 in there, a whole bunch in here. Smells good. And my pepper plants. Look at that. Yay. All right. I've been crocheting a little bit. I got my Centro knitting machine out. Trying to experiment. Trying to figure out what exactly I want to do for myself. I think I may have figured it out. I have this. Okay, so it's a granny square. And I think I'm going to make a dress. I know it's a little see-through, a little holey, but I could wear something underneath it. Do the top squares, have them like diagonal, well, like this, instead of like that. I kind of want to do something with the Centro. this yarn right here is, well, this yarn and the next yarn that I'm going to show you is from Hobby Lobby. This one is the Stonewash. I have a couple of different shades, different colors, that I'm going to use. And then this is Vanna's Choice. That one is I Love This Yarn. I know that works in the Centro. I have a little bit of this. This, I have the Centro 46 needles. Let me see if I could do this. Wait, let me flip it to the other side. All right, so, it's just an idea. So making a sleeve out of it. I don't know if I'm going to do like a tank top type thing or if I am going to add sleeves. Like this, I would just have to figure out how to get it to not roll. I guess I could do this properly, take it off, because I did not. I added some of the darker purple. Do so many rows and then I crochet it, the sleeves, but I just wanted to see if this brand of yarn would, if my Centro liked it. I kind of like that as a sleeve. It's a little warm, which is why it's a short sleeve. Hi, my boo. It's my favorite teenager.
Who are you talking to?
I'm finishing up a video.
Why?
Because I can.
Why? Anyways,
so I have light gray, dark purple, this shade of purple. So I guess I can figure out how to attach it or just make
How many more days of school do we have?
You have 3. 1 full day and 2 half days.
Okay.
So I don't know if I'm going to do the squares all the way down or not. We'll see. But it's pretty. So it's pretty. I have more of this. I don't have Hobby Lobby discontinued the Vanna's Choice yarn. I got this on clearance a few years ago. So it's soft. But I am catching up on my Chicago shows. I'm watching the season finales. I gotta wait until the end of September now.
Womp womp.
I know, it's so sad.
For you.
Anyways, I'm going to end this video, eat a couple of oranges. Oh, it's frozen.
Where were they?
In the fridge.
That's why you don't keep fruit in the fridge for too long.
No. The other adult in the house likes to keep it up. Both fridges. Things in the back of the fridge get frozen.
No, duh. That's how fridges work.
Now, the freezer, I expect things to be frozen.
That's how our fridges work, and that's how fridges work in this house.
Yeah.
Duffus.
They're retarded.
Just like all of us.
Did it rain again this evening? I thought I heard it raining again.
I don't know. I was in my room listening to music.
Did you come in because it rained? It was raining?
Where?
When you and your bro here were playing baseball.
Oh, no.
Okay.
It just came in because he was making me mad.
Okay.
And also I lost both balls.
Uh-oh.
Both baseballs, I mean.
Be the best version of you.
Do you still have the you shall ingest a satchel of Richards?
Yeah, but I don't know where they are. Where it is. I gave one to Jamie and one to Claudia. And I lost mine.
I want one. What you drinking?
Either the blue or the orange Gatorade. I think it's the orange.
What does it taste like?
I don't know. Anyways, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell, and I will see y'all next time. Peace!